Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So today we're working on that Jetta MK5. We've had some problems with that thing. We actually even did an engine replacement. Check out, we have many videos on our channel. Don't forget to check them out, so hopefully they'll be helpful. And now it's cutting out a little bit. We think it doesn't have power in the high RPMs. It's lacking fuel, so we're going to replace the fuel filter. So don't judge us, we'll be using one from another car that we have that we know it's good because we drive the other car daily. And we just want to confirm that's the issue before we proceed with ordering parts. So if you don't have the whole assembly guys, stay with us. At the end of the video we'll show you how to take it apart, take the whole filter apart, and how to replace only the insert. We'll show you in a second. So in order to replace the filter guys, you need to memorize how those hoses are, and you need to remove the little clamps, and we'll need to take the hoses out. And those clamps could be very giving you a very hard time because they're just not built right. We even sometimes replace those. Okay, we finally got that one 5 minutes later. Okay, just 2 more to go. And it's very important to get the hoses in the right order later guys. So as you can see, this one is on the outside, so it's even good to mark them. So you don't confuse those, because you'll be a total mess if you do. Okay, and we're going to push them out. Make sure you don't damage them. Sometimes they'll be stuck pretty good. Okay, and now the diesel part. Let's smell like diesel a little bit. The fun part of messing with the TDI. Whoop, spraying everywhere. I think got the camera too. We see. Okay, 2 more to go. And we can get that thing out of there. And this one is pretty stuck. Okay, we almost got it. Okay, one more, only one more, and we have a few bolts that we will need to remove, and once we do that we should be able to pull that thing out of there and see what it is with it. Okay, this one is definitely not so easy. Okay, right there. So now we have all the hoses out of the way. Make sure we don't forget how they are. And we need to remove one bolt there, 10 millimeter. Okay, we removed that one. There is one on the bottom, right there. Okay, and there is actually one more, which will be down there. And it's important not to drop those in the engine. Okay, that's actually a nut there in the engine bay. So 2 bolts and 1 nut there. Okay, that's the last bolt. 3rd bolt out of there. Oh, actually 2nd bolt and 1 nut. It's been a long day guys. Okay, and that's the filter guys right here. Actually the bottom one you don't even have to take it all the way off, because it has a slot, so you can just pull the filter towards the front. And that's the filter for 2006. As you can see, that's what it looks like. That's the model number. So that bottom bolt, we're going to put it there. That way we don't have to worry about dropping it, since it's supposed to stay like that. And we're just going to slide the filter. Okay, you see, you slide there, and we can just, okay, like that, and we can get it tied that way, and we don't need to worry about that thing dropping and not being able to find the bolt. And all we have to do, get the nut tight, the 2 bolts. Okay, we got the nut now, and just one more bolt right here on top, if we can get that thing today. Okay, and get those tight. Next we will need to connect the hoses and install the clamps on those. Okay, you just push them in again, make sure that you install them the right way, because otherwise it will be a big mess and the car will not be running, most likely. Okay, one there and one here, and all we gotta do, guys, just install the clamp. Alright guys, we'll demonstrate how to do it now. We don't have one to replace it with, but we will show you how to take it apart. You just have 5 screws with a T32 that you will need to use, and you need to take those 5 screws off all the way, and you'll be able to open the filter and just replace the cartridge inside of it, the paper filter, because the whole housing and everything is super expensive and there is no need to do that. So now if you use your screwdriver right there, you can open it. Okay, just a little bit here and a little bit on the other side as well. Just be careful, don't go too deep to damage the seal, and you can go ahead and remove it. And that's pretty nasty looking filter, 165,000 miles, and it wasn't getting any fuel. So yeah, that's it. So now guys, you need to clean the bottom of it, everything, and this one you pull it out and you will have to install the new one there. Okay, just like that. So you need to make sure you clean everything there, fill it up with clean diesel, install new filter, and just put it back together. That's the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like.
So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.